Hey guys, welcome to Indie Game Hustle. In this UModeler video, we're going to take a look at the Inset tool. Let's take a look at how it works. All right, so we have our scene here, and I have a few meshes here. I have a couple of rectangles or cubes or whatever, and I also have this table looking or stool type of object here. All right. So the first thing we want to do is take a look at where the Inset tool is located. So this is going to be located in the Add category. And to the right, we're going to look at this icon here where it says Inset tool. So to use this tool, simply select the object that you want to do, and you select the tool, and you go over here where the object is, and you can go on the face of an object. All you got to do is click and drag. And what it does is it kind of creates an outline within the shape that you're trying to use the inset for. So it's a very useful tool, actually. I've used it a few times, but I think it's a very good tool. Now, for instance, that's a pretty simple shape, and if we wanted to do anything extra with this object, we can just then now build off of that. So that kind of gives you an idea of how you can approach it. But if we were to take, say, for instance, this shape here, and let's go to our line tool and create a shape, something a little bit more complicated, like so. And then if we have this shape here, if we select the Inset tool now, and we go inside the shape, as you can see, it also is based on whatever shape you're using it in, or on the outside as well. Now it's going to be on the edges, not necessarily on the inner, right? So we can do that. And so now we have these different faces that we can do all types of things with. So say, for instance, I want to push that in a little bit or whatever. I can even do an inset on the shape within there. So for instance, let's see if that's going to work the way I thought. Works on this one, works again on this one. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I like this shape. I like this tool. And there's a lot you can do with it. And you can just kind of keep building on this type of thing. And keep doing whatever you want to do. Again, modeling is all about creativity. So it's kind of up to you how you decide to do that. So for instance, if I were to go on this shape over here, and I use this rectangle tool, then I maybe take the arch tool and I do something like this, right? And so we go to our Inset tool. Maybe we want to create an inset of this space, and maybe like an inset of this space. And let me get a little closer here. And there it is. There's a little line, if you can see that. It's really faint, but there's a little line, and that's kind of where you're going to be basing it at. So, all right. And so say I want to get about right there. That's fine. And so now we have the Inset tool, have created that. And so we can now select this face, and we can kind of go in and go in. And so now we've created, I don't know, there could be something interesting there. We can actually go a little further with this, and or actually I'll just take this and maybe extrude this out. Maybe it's something like a little window ledge, something like that. Maybe select the two sides and extrude that up. You can even use the push-pull tool, right? Or the multi, right? And just kind of do something like that. I don't know if that was my intention there, but you know, you can use something like that, or yeah, I think maybe it's set to global or whatever. I don't know. But the point is that you can see how far you can start going with these types of tools to kind of build an object out based on whatever imagination you have. So that's the Inset tool. Love to hear your comments on it. And that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video.